Basic meditation techniques for inner peace. Step 1. Sit comfortably. Start by adjusting your sitting position. If you sit on the floor, sit cross-legged, right leg over the left, right hand over the left hand, palms up, your right index finger gently touching your left thumb. Place both hands on your lap comfortably, your head and back erect. This sitting position is called peace position. If you feel uncomfortable in this position, you may sit on a chair or sofa. Adjust your position until you feel completely comfortable and so that the blood will circulate freely and you breathe naturally. Gently close your eyes comfortably as if you are going to sleep. Do not squeeze your eyelids and do not shut them forcefully. Close them slightly. Do not close your eyes tightly. Sit with a smile on your face. Next, take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale a few times. Breathe in deeply until you feel the air pass through your lungs and reach the middle of your abdomen. Imagine that each cell in your body is fully taking in the happiness feeling and joyfulness. Then slowly breathe out through your nostrils. Breathe out all your worries, stress, tension, and negative feelings. Step 2. Adjusting the body and the mind. Let everything go. Take a moment to let go of all the responsibilities related to work, loved ones, family, study, and everything else. Let your mind be joyful, relaxed, and free from all worry. Then, breathe normally. Relax every muscle in your body. Start to relax from the top of your head down to your forehead. Relax the muscles in your face, eyelids, neck, and muscles in your shoulders, arms, and down to the tips of your fingers. Relax the muscles of your back, your chest, your legs, and all the way down to the tip of your toes. Let every part of your body relax. Don't let any part of your body contract, tighten, or become tense. Continue to relax until you feel that every part of your body, every cell in your body is completely relaxed. You are now in a state of complete relaxation whereby you can feel an emptiness, transparency, and lightness. Now make your mind feel joyful, cheerful, clear, pure, and bright. Release and let go. Empty your mind. Make your mind clear, pure, and free from all thoughts. Imagine you are sitting alone in a vast open space, one that is full of freedom and peacefulness, as if you never had any attachment in life, never had any problems, and never knew anyone before. Then imagine that your body has no organs, assuming that it is a tube, a hole, a hollow vacuum, an inflated balloon, or a diamond cylinder that is bright and clear. Let it be in open space, empty and hollow inside. You may feel your body get lighter and lighter as if it were becoming weightless, gradually melting away and becoming one with nature. Step 3. Let yourself enjoy this feeling of peacefulness. Now, bring your mind to focus to the center of your body. In the middle of your abdomen, 2 finger widths above the navel level. For new practitioners, do not worry too much about the exact point of center of body. Simply maintain your mind softly and gently in the middle of your abdomen. The way that you focus your mind at the center of the body is by comparing it to the lightness and gentleness of a bird's feather floating down from the sky and touching the calm surface of the water. Imagine the soft touch of a bird's feather when it touches the surface of the water. Focus your mind at the center of the body with this feeling. Maintain the feeling of relaxation in your body and mind continuously, keeping your mind focused at the center of the body. After you have found the starting point to focus your mind, softly imagine a neutral object of choice so that the mind can have something to focus on and not wander. You could imagine a shining sun of any size that you like, bright like the midday sun, but clean and soothing as the moonlight on a full moon night. You can choose any object that you like as long as it makes you feel calm, pure, and content. Some people visualize candle flames, crystal balls, the moon, etc. Recite the word phrase of choice in your mind softly as if the sounds were coming from the center of the mental object in the middle of your abdomen. Maintain your mind on the object and phrase in the center of your body continuously, softly, and comfortably until your mind is still. Step 4. Maintain soft awareness of the center of the body. Once your mind is completely still, it will drop the word phrase by itself, as if you are forgetting to recite it. You may just want to be still without your mind wandering or thinking about anything. There should be only the picture of the mental object appearing clearly at the center of your body. If you feel like this, you do not have to go back to reciting the word phrase again. Let your awareness maintain the vision of the mental object gently and comfortably. Only do this from this point onwards, with a still mind, softly, gently, constantly, and continuously. Do not do anything beyond this. If you see or feel any experiences at the center of your body which are different from the mental object that you originally started imagining, do not be excited. Let your mind be neutral to it. Observe the experiences that occur with a calm mind and remember to relax. Be neutral. Your mind will be completely focused, pure, still, and feel like nothingness. This moment is very important, so do not neglect it. If you do this correctly, meditation will feel easy and comfortable. Your mind will then become still, easily, and effortlessly. Do not analyze and comment on your inner experiences as they are happening. Your mind will not be calm and all your good experiences will go away. Instead, adhere only to these instructions. Eventually, your mind will be refined and completely focused at the center of the body. The mind will deepen, entering into clarity, purity, brightness, true happiness, and true inner knowledge. This is inner wisdom. Finally, you will behold the universal truth which lies within you and everyone else in this world. So enjoy your meditation one step at a time. Step 5. Spreading the peace energy. The sharing of loving kindness is something we can do every day, both before and after daily meditation. A brief period before meditating softens and broadens our minds. The sharing of loving kindness as such helps improve our meditation experience. The benefits of sharing loving kindness every day include radiating a happy feeling when we are awake and asleep. If we have dreams, they will be sweet and meaningful. Wish that everyone will stop taking advantage of one another in the name of greed, anger, and ignorance. The purity of our minds during meditation radiates silently outwards into the atmosphere. This purity cleanses the defilements and darkness from our minds and other minds, cleaning them so we can live with the right view and in the right direction. This direction is towards happiness, peace, and virtue. Eventually, we will change the world and bring it to true peace through the limitless powers of meditation. If you liked this video and want to see more similar content, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.